Hello everyone, welcome to Tech RMM. Let us see a very important concept from Java known as why Java is known as platform independent programming language. See, Java is platform independent because in Java, whatever the programs we write, which are not directly compiled into machine code. Instead, they are compiled into a representation known as bytecode. Here the bytecode we can assume as a universal format. This bytecode can run on any Java virtual machine. Then the Java virtual machine can translate this bytecode into native code of the operating system. Since Java virtual machines are available for various operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, the same Java program can run anywhere. That is why we call it write once, run anywhere. Let's take a simple analogy to understand Java platform independence concept. Think of it like this. You write a letter, but before sending, you put it inside a standard envelope. That's called bytecode. This bytecode looks same from everywhere. When this letter with envelope is reaching a new city, then the local postman, who we can represent as JVM, can read it and deliver it in the local style. So one letter can travel anywhere, just like one Java program can run on any computer. Thank you. Follow me for more informative videos on Java programming. Thank you.